What's the matter? Come show us. What's the matter?
Never use the microwave ever again.
Why?
Because
Is it fire again?
fire. No!
Smoke?
Smoke! Don't open it. Oh.
Just put a metal plate in the microwave.
Oh. I hate microwaves.
And they don't like you when you put metal plates in there.
I ruined my pancakes.
Oh, you're gonna cry. Look, she's gonna cry.
It stinks. I need to open it up.
Let's hope that the alarms don't go.
Open the door.
Oh, we're not supposed to. I'm doing the radon test.
What are you doing? I can't open the door.
No. I hope that's not radon.
Oh.
Let's